welcome to sunny Melbourne.
Because I'm breaking free now. Oh, I'll never stop moving. Won't you shake it, baby? You gotta shake it off and on.
Thank you guys.
Shake it, baby. Yeah, yeah.
October 2015 was when Jacqui and Sherman first met. Jacqui was starting her first day at work at the architectural firm, and Sherman was the first person to say hi to her in the office kitchen. Little did Jacqui know that Sherman, that nice guy that she met on the first day of work in an office kitchen, would become the love of her life.
Jacqui has been my princess. She born, yeah. During small, she's very cheeky and she's very talkative. And right now, she's a lady. Yeah, all right.
As I stand here today, to see my older brother and his new wife, Jacqui, I can clearly see that my brother has really won. Jacqui is the most caring, fun, and kind-hearted person. He doesn't need any walkthrough or guides of how to play the game. I think he's just a winner just by being with her.
Their greatest adventure to date has to be their engagement to one another, which was on the 30th of April 2021. The location in their new home. Jacqui told Sherman how she wanted her proposal to go. She also dropped very obvious hints about exactly what type of ring she wanted. And, of course, she wanted it to be a surprise. And so he spent that Friday decorating the house to surprise her when she came home that evening. Filled the ceiling with, and he stresses this, manually blown up balloons because there was no more helium at Spotlight. And when Jacqui came home and saw everything set up, she still didn't realize that Sherman was going to propose until he got down on one knee. And I'm happy to say, ladies and gentlemen, that the proposal was a wonderful surprise to enjoy and very successful.
The two of you are the nicest and most considerate and caring people I've come to know. You have never shied away when I'm going through a tough time. You have stood by me and helped me get through anything. If you are able to give me so much love and support as a friend, I have no doubt you two as a couple will stand strong for each other.
Sherman, I can't believe it has been 5 years already since we got together. I still remember the very first day we met in the office. You were the first person that greeted me in the kitchen. It was really sweet of you. During the years, we've been through many ups and downs. Thank you for being such an amazing partner in life. Thank you for supporting me when I experienced health issue. Thank you for believing in me that I can achieve anything I want to achieve.
I promise to love you, even though you squeeze a toothpaste from the middle of the tube. I promise to be the one you can rely on to tell you the hard truth when you need to hear it. And I will also be the one who tells you what you want to hear at the time so you feel better. I promise you that I will always love you the very most, even more than how much you think I love fried chicken.
Jie, even though now you are somebody else's wife, you will still always be my sister, my best friend, and my 大姐. I want you to know that I will always be there with you no matter